So, ngayon guys, as you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa trolley. Para siyang tour bus. Dinadala kami kung saan namin gusto. Pero, kailangan kang bumili ng ticket or wristband. Ito ay $5. Valid na siya for the whole day, but just a day na wristband. For tomorrow, you cannot use it anymore. I am ready for Niagara Falls. Let's have fun.
It's gonna be the big reveal. Once we clear that, you'll see the waterfalls.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Horseshoe Falls Terrapin Point. So papunta tayo ngayon, makikita niyo yung malaking mess ng water. Dito mag-aaka ng mga kita ko niyan. In my 39 years, nakakita na din ako ng Niagara Falls. Oh, so beautiful.
Two adult tickets for the trolley? Okay.
I am ready for Niagara Falls. Let's So, ngayon guys, as you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa trolley. Ano siya, para siyang tour bus. Dinadala kami kung saan namin gusto. Pero, kailangan kang bumili ng ticket or wristband. Ito ay $5. Valid na siya for the whole day, but just a day na wristband. For tomorrow, you cannot use it anymore. So, ngayon, nandito ako sa trolley. Let's have fun today. So, yan ang waiting area ng trolley. Nandiyan na. Diyan kami mamaya, guys. Yan.
Welcome to our Niagara Falls State Park and our Niagara Scenic Trolley. Very happy to have you traveling with us on this beautiful July morning. We got a gorgeous day today.
Yeah, it's beautiful morning.
Our park was established in 1885. We're the oldest state park in the United States. The park was the vision of Frederick Law Olmsted, who was a world-famous park designer. He got together with a group of early conservationists called the Free Niagara Group, and they were dedicated to removing the mills and the factories that we had all along the river.
Niagara Falls!
To eliminate the pollution and spoiling our beautiful natural resource that we have here. And we're very thankful that they were successful. In 1885, they established this beautiful park that we have the privilege of driving around in today. Well, you see on the right is the American Rapids, headed to the American Falls. We have three separate waterfalls in the park. The American Falls, the Bridalveil Falls, which is the smallest waterfall, and the Horseshoe Fall, which is the largest by far. About 90% of the river is going over the Horseshoe Fall.
other side, guys, is Canada. That's Canada. Over there, that's Canada.
And we now crossed over the American Rapid Bridge, and we're on our way to our lovely little boat island. Boat Island is about a half-mile long and a quarter-mile wide, so it's about a little more than a mile to circumnavigate the island. We have paths around the island. It's very walkable. We have 4 of our 5 stops are all over on Goat Island. The first will be the Cave of the Wind stop. Then we go to the Horseshoe Falls, Three Sisters Islands, Parking Lot 3, and then we go back to the May of the Mist and our visitor center stop where we just came from. And with your wristbands, you can hop on and hop off on any of the trolleys. Right now there's just 2. Very shortly we'll have 2 more, and then we'll have 6 by the end of the day.
Niagara Falls. Ayan. Yan yung entrance. Nandyan yung ticketing. Yung ticketing nandyan.
This will be our stop for the Cave of the Winds, for Luna Island, Bridalveil Falls, and parking lot number 2.
It's going to be the big reveal. Once we clear that, you'll see the waterfalls.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Horseshoe Falls, Terrapin Point. So, papunta tayo ngayon, makikita niyo yung malaking mess ng water. There you go, guys. That's the Horseshoe Falls. Ano siya, malaki siyang mess ng water.
Tell me, are you coming or not? I'm gonna break through you. It's when the signs are all holding true. If it's the last thing I'll ever do, I'm gonna break through you.
So, sa hindi po nakakaalam, yung other side po is Canada. Yan po ay Canada. Yan. Canada po yan. So yung naka-divide lang sa between US and Canada is yung water po. Pero 지금 mo. So beautiful. Wow! Oh, look at that. my 39 years, nakakita na din ako ng Niagara Falls. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Wow, look at that rainbow. Rainbow. Oh, look at that, guys. So beautiful. Rainbow. Ganda niya, guys. Wow!